All right, today we are going to make some palladium testing solution. It's going to be 4 grams of sodium hydroxide / lye. It is going to be 6 grams of DMG, dimethylglycine, and then it's going to be 100 mils of distilled water. So let's start off with tearing this out. And let's add, all right, that's 4 grams. And now we're going to add 6 grams of DMG. I should probably tear that out, huh? All right, there we go, 6 grams of DMG. Now we're going to add 100 mils of hot water, distilled hot water, and we'll go test. That dissolved well, it really did. Adding that sodium hydroxide to make it basic. Normally when I use just distilled water, hot distilled water, DMG does not dissolve well. That's a pretty good trick. So here we go. We're going to go test that solution right now. All right, so there's the forest green using the Stannous. I'm going to add just a little bit from our testing solution. Oh my, I was thinking it was going to be yellow. That is definitely brick red. So we'll come back to that. All right, so you can see I kind of stirred it up when I lifted it up. It has a yellow precipitate. Now earlier when it had darkened, that was just the reaction with the hydroxides. And once they dissolved, you can see the yellow. So what I'm going to do, originally I was thinking about cementing this out, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to add our DMG testing solution. We're going to filter it out just to keep it on my end of the waste stream, you know. So I'll add some DMG to it. And we'll come back to that and I'll filter that out later. Well, I didn't get a lot of gold, but it looks like I got a little bit of palladium. That's just incredible, man. That DMG solution, with adding the sodium hydroxide and then the DMG, it just worked really well. That's it. So palladium. And you can see here, that's my forest green test from the Stannous. I'll let that settle. Might have to filter it in just a little while. I don't want it to dissolve back in the solution. So we're going forward. If that's not canary yellow, I don't know what is. That's kind of super exciting for me. So we're going to go filter this. All right, here's the money shot. We still have a little bit more to go, but that's definitely canary yellow. The Stannous test was forest green. The sample test with DMG had a yellow precipitant. And man, I just can't tell you how excited I am to finally be working with palladium. We have gloved up. This is the last of it. And I'll rinse that out. I have rinsed out the beaker. We will let this dry out and I will stow the filters away. And we'll do a future refining when I have enough papers. Kind of excited. This is my first time dealing with palladium, so y'all have to excuse my excitement, but it's pretty cool to me. Last shot, and we're going to tuck it away. Look at that yellow cake. That looks nice.